Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows laptop or desktop computer. Now for taking a screenshot, the most common and easy one is just by pressing the print screen button. Here is the print screen button on a laptop keyboard, and here is the print screen button on a desktop keyboard. Now once you find that button, all you have to do is just press it once, go to start, and then type in paint, and then press enter, and that will open up the paint tab. Now what you have to do, click on paste, and here you can see that our screenshot. Now from here you can just go here and then save that screenshot wherever you want. Now let me show you another easy and quick method. So for that, what you have to do is press the Windows button and the Shift button and the S button all together, and here you can see the Windows snipping tool. Now from here you have a few options. So if you select this one, you can take rectangular screenshot of your preferred area, and here you can see our screenshot. Now just click here and there is our screenshot. Now from here you can just click on the save icon and then save the screenshot. Now there are a few other things that you can do with the Windows snipping tool. So let me just open it again, Windows Shift S, and then here is the snipping tool. Now this is for creating a free area screenshot. So if I select this, you can see that I can now create a rectangle, circle, or anything that I want, and there is our screenshot. And then we have the window snip. So if you have any window open, and then select the window snip and then select this window, here you can see that we just took a screenshot of that window only, as you can see. Now from here I can also save it. And the last one, or the last option on the snipping tool, is the full screenshot. So here is the full screenshot. So if we click here, it will take a screenshot of your whole desktop. There it is. And of course from here you can just save it. And that is how you can take screenshot on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.